Hi, today we are here to discuss the objective questions of zoology related with BSc level. Hope you enjoy it. So, question number 1 is locomotion on protozoa takes place with cilia, flagellum, pseudopodia, all of above. So, since all the three are used for locomotion, the answer is number D. Corals are made by Platyhelminthes, Protozoa, Coelenterata, Porifera. The answer for this question is number C, Coelenterata. Ephyra is the larva of Porifera, Ctenophora, Coelenterata, Protozoa. So out of all these, the correct answer for this question is Coelenterata. Taenia soleum is commonly known as hookworm, Aurelia, liver fluke, pork tapeworm. The answer for this question is pork tapeworm. The common name of Scypha is bath sponge, ball sponge, horn sponge, horse sponge. Out of these four, the correct answer is common name of Scypha, horn sponge. So the next question goes, liver root is caused by, here is a mistake, that is CAUSED, Monocystis, Taenia soleum, Fasciola hepatica, euglena. So the liver root is caused by, not by Monocystis, not by Taenia soleum, it is caused by Fasciola hepatica. Which zooid is dominant in Aurelia? Polyp, Medusa, both A and B, none of these. So the correct answer for this question is, in the life cycle of Aurelia we see both the zooid, polyp and medusa. So the answer is both. Totipotent cells are in sponges are conocytes, thiocytes, archaeocytes. So the right answer is archaeocytes, totipotent cells in sponges. Monocystis is parasite of which phylum? Ctenophora, Annelida, Echinodermata, Protozoa. So the correct answer is Protozoa. Monocyst is the parasite of Protozoa. How many appendages are present in prawn? 18 pair, 16 pair, 17 pair, 19 pair. The correct answer for this question is it must be 19 pair. Autogamy occurs only in Paramecium caudatum, Aurelia, Amoeba, Monocystis. So out of these four, the correct answer for autogamy occurring is, it occurs in Paramecium caudatum. Nematocysts occur in Protozoa, Porifera, Cnidaria, Nemathelminthes. So the correct answer for this is nematocyst occurs in Cnidaria. Nematocysts occur in Cnidaria. Raupelia in Aurelia comprises of how many sensory structures? 2, 3, 6 and 8. So the correct answer for this is, out of 4 is 8, number D. So there is double off guys. Omit one of the off. Pseudona Bicella stage is present in the life cycle of which animal? Intermobia, Monocystis, Taenia, Fasciola. So the answer is Monocystis. Based on feeding habits of Obelia medusa, it is called herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, detritus feeders. So it is, the correct answer is carnivorous. Skeleton secreting cells in sponges are archaeocytes, chromocytes, scleroblasts, conocytes. So the correct answer for this question is scleroblasts. Gamules occur in Euglena, Aurelia, Sycon, Ctenophora. So gamules, they mostly occur in Sycon. The correct answer is Sycon. Dysentery is caused by Entamoeba coli, Entamoeba histolytica, Entamoeba gingivalis, Amoeba proteus. So dysentery is caused by Entamoeba histolytica is the correct answer. Entamoeba histolytica is the correct answer. Sleeping sickness disease occurs in Japan, India, Australia and Africa. Sleeping sickness, it is caused in Africa out of 4 countries. Liver fluke is which type of parasite? Monogenic, digenic, polygenic, none of these. The answer is digenic. Aurelia represented medusoid stage, polypoid stage, gasteroid stage, none of these. So it is medusoid stage. Aurelia represented medusoid stage. Connecting link between plant and animal kingdom: Paramecium, bacteria, Euglena, virus. So out of these is Euglena, as it shows both the characters of animal and plants. The contractile vacuole in protozoans is chiefly concerned with the process of digestion, excretion, osmoregulation, assimilation. So the answer is osmoregulation. Flagellated chambers are found in Leucosolia, Ascon type sponges, Sycon type sponges, Leucon type sponges. Larval forms of Taenia: Oncospore, Cysticercus, Hexacanth, all of above. The answer is Cysticercus. Gregarine movement is found in Paramecium, Ovelia, Monocystis, Aurelia. So gregarine movement is mostly found in Paramecium. Autotrophic mode of nutrition is found in Euglena, Fasciola, Ovelia, Monocystis. So this type of nutrition is found in mostly in Euglena, since there is a presence of chlorophyll in it. Amphiblastula is the larva of Euglena, Paramecium, Sycon, Ovelia. Amphiblastula, the answer is Sycon. Tapeworm is the common name of Fasciola, Ankyostoma, Taenia, Solium, Euglena. So out of these 4, the correct answer is Taenia, Solium. Ankyostoma belongs to phylum Protozoa, Porifera, Coelenterata, Nematoda. So out of 4, the correct answer for this question is Nematoda. Ankyostoma belongs to phylum Nematoda. The second host, no, it's not if, it's of Taenia Solium is pig, snail, human, sheep. Pig. The excretory organ in Fasciola hepatica are Malleus gland, phlegm cells, Laver's canal, acetabulum. The answer is phlegm cells. The most simple canal system in sponge is Ascon type, Sycon type, Leucon type, Aphodal type. The answer is Ascon type. Miracidium larva is found in which animal life cycle? Ascaris, Filaria, liver fluke, tapeworm. So the answer is liver fluke. Miracidium larva is found in liver fluke.